This video will demonstrate how to install a table treatments cover on a medical exam table. This is the old tabletop. You can see it's worn at the corners. Starting with the foot pad, we'll pull the tray out and take out the foot pad, and then take a look at the cover, and you'll notice that it has a black elastic around the edge. At one point you'll see that there is a meeting of the elastic where it's joined together, and that should always go to the back of the foot pad. So when you pull the foot pad out, make sure that that joint in the black elastic goes to the back of the foot pad. Now we start with one corner and get it firmly hooked over the corner of the pad. Pull it to the diagonal opposite corner. Make sure that that's hooked over. Then you can fill in the other two corners. The last corner, because the cover is made to fit snug, is going to be the tightest. So I recommend that you use your thumbs on the black elastic and just push it right over the corner. Then you can just smooth out the wrinkles that may have still been there from putting the cover on. And that'll complete the foot pad. Now we go to the main table cover. Raise the table to about a 45-degree angle and bring the cover over the top of the head end of the table. You're going to be hooking all four corners of the cover over the table corners. We start with the top, get those loosely in place, then go to the front of the table and hook the cover over the two front corners. We're not looking for a tight or a really nice fit yet. We're just getting it hooked in place. Now we're going to go to the hinge end and start pulling that in place. There is a webbing strap that is sewn into the cover. It goes all the way around the table. You'll see it at the back. You can hook the two ends of the buckle together and start pulling the cover in the hinge area in towards the center of the table, side to side. Go from one side, then to the other side. Every time you do that, pull on that loose end of webbing and pull the slack out. Don't worry about tearing anything because, like I said before, this webbing strap goes completely around the table. It's all one piece. So continue pulling the table cover into place in the hinge area and taking the slack out by pulling the loose end of the webbing. When you're satisfied that that is secure and everything looks good in that hinge area, then you can move up to the head end where you'll find another set of webbing with a buckle. Bring the two together, buckle them together, and you can pull the slack out of that webbing. The best way to do this is to pull on the side of the cover because this webbing strap is sewn to the cover. It does not go all the way around like the hinge area one. You don't have to take that much, put that much pull into it. And then lower the table and then move to the front, and you'll see a paper strip which is protecting the sticky side of the Velcro. Remove the paper strip and slick down the Velcro to the underside of the table. Put your foot pad back in place, and that completes the installation. Looking at the finished table cover, you'll notice that there are a few wrinkles that came about when it was packed up for shipping. Those will come out in a few days. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please call 1-800-286-8738 or email at vcrt2@verizon.net.